The only thing that satisfies me more than Oreo ice cream is my wife.
Wow. Char.
Holy gone.
What's the flavor of your ice
Not
cream?
too halo. I did Oreo.
Oreo is your favorite?
No, not really, but it's
not
the
really.
only thing I could recognize.
Okay. Anything? Special ming tanan. Walay ordinary dili. I want halo special.
But not me.
Be careful, David.
Lagi.
Anything that
Ang
is
mga pambawal sa mga hello. Kaya madawat ang ilang
My
tongue.
brother-in-law before,
Yeah?
an American, when he arrived on that hour day in Butuan, we proceed directly to Chowki, and oh my God, that's very worse. We almost bring to the hospital. We almost bring him. I think dito ka
Okay. Kuha na sila, mga sensitive kayo sila mga tummy. Iba talaga ang mga white.
Iba talaga mga white.
Dili parehas sa mga Asian. Oh, nana po ano.
Si Tawin, lugaraman.
O, asa na si Tawing? So what's the taste of Oreo?
Oreo,
Oh,
chocolate, and cream.
so are you satisfied?
Oh, I'm satisfied.
Oh, wow, very good. Pero ang halo-halo, pa na ito na ibaw yung sa bagit. Satisfied bagit ang halo-halo. Ang hello-hello. Ang hello di ay kay in Bisaya halo-halo. But in front of us is wala, abin akong isara. I thought you buy only one.
No, it was really small.
Nananapit nila.
I make a vlog with your Oreo ice cream.
Sa game mo, niya ko si David.
Oh, sorry.
The only thing that satisfies me more than Oreo ice cream is
Wow.
my wife.
Wow, Char.
Holy gone.
King Koy, sorry.
Yeah, you're King Koy. Lagi. Wala kabalo si David mga ako rin siya vlog. I am sorry, I will not tell you that. It's a prank. Okay, thank you for watching. David is enjoy his chocolate ice cream.